What's in your box? Introducing NAPA Echlin blower motor resistor kits featuring problem-solving high-temp harnesses. Blower motor resistors control the electrical current flowing from the fan switch to the blower fan, which allows the driver to control fan speed. The high amount of current running through the blower motor resistor will produce heat that can damage the connector and resistor. That's where we come in. NAPA Echlin improved on the original, delivering a high-temp connector that withstands excessive heat to prevent damage. These direct-fit replacements are engineered to handle the extreme current that can melt the resistor or connector of an inferior replacement part. The NAPA Echlin blower motor resistor includes features that ensures it will perform properly under all operating conditions. High-quality ceramics with copper electrical connectors produce accurate resistance values every time. Tin-plated steel terminals for maximum contact and excellent fit. Kanthal D resistor wire provides longer life for higher watt resistors. Precision-built resistor coils for better fan control. And our resistor is thermally protected with an onboard fuse. Our extra-duty harness is manufactured with TXL copper wiring to withstand high electric current and protect against heat-related failure, while the high-temp connector prevents melting even under extreme temperatures. Our harness is thermal cycle tested from -22 degrees to 257 degrees Fahrenheit. NAPA Echlin blower motor resistor kits are manufactured in our IATF 16949 certified facility, where they undergo rigorous testing to make sure each delivers precise performance and a long service life. Our engineers sample test every NAPA Echlin blower motor resistor for draw, resistance, and RPM. Test samples are validated to precisely match the OE specs and meet or exceed the OE for durability. We examine performance at all speeds and then conduct 48-hour load tests. It's how we know our blower motor resistors will operate at peak performance and deliver a long service life under all operating conditions. As the premier engine management brand in the aftermarket, NAPA Echlin leads the way in advanced automotive technology.